Hi guys, we're up on the downs. I was hoping it wasn't going to be windy today. I'm out of luck. I wanted to try the rubber band powered plane I made on holiday. That's another rubber band powered plane, and then we got a catapult launch glider there that we may end up flying the kite. Depends how things go. I'll try the catapult launch glider first because I don't think that's going to last very long. Quite light winds at the moment. And the battery's just about run out on the hat camera because we were trying to fly aeroplanes earlier. So I've used the battery up on them. The fact we're flying this shows why I was having trouble with the aeroplanes. It was too windy for them. Whoa. Wind dropped. No wind. Running backwards. Hat falling off. Oh, we are struggling. let's call it a day. That'll do. Got a nasty feeling the camera had slipped on my, or the hat camera had slipped on my head, so we may not have got any of that anyway. Oh, and it's coming on to rain. Good time to stop. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.